Hey friends, welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Ready to Slay channel where I, Paige, would like to talk a little bit about our NaNoWriMo stories and give us a pep talk in a 60-second video. We all get discouraged sometimes with the books that we're writing, whether it's NaNoWriMo or not. It can feel like you have the best idea in the world and then like it's definitely super not good enough. We all have those moments, and I would love to challenge us all, if you're feeling unmotivated and like maybe you should start over, to take just a minute and write down 5 things that you love about your current story. It can be small, it can be a big thing, it can be that you just love your plot and you love everything you're doing. Still take a moment and just appreciate what you've created so far. So for me, I love the aesthetics that I have gone with my characters. I'm writing a Beauty and the Beast retelling, and my Belle character, Evelyn, has rose gold hair. I love their personalities. I'm really enjoying writing this sort of time traveler romance where he does not understand anything about what's going on. I'm really enjoying her career. I have her on the path of getting into historic renovation, and that's how she's getting into the castle and ends up meeting him. And I think that's a really fun avenue to explore. For the humor, when I started this book, I thought it would be serious and brooding and romantic, and instead it's a very fun, silly, romantic, swoony YA novel, and I've been really into that different tone change, and it's been fun to let the story kind of take me where it wants and pants this novel. I like being able to play with the tropes of a story that I love. Bella's my favorite Disney princess, and see how I can shift those things, change it, work in a couple little references here and there. I would love to know in the comments below, what are 5 things that you love about the project that you're working on? I'm really excited to hear about your projects this nano. With this platform, we don't get a whole lot of back and forth dialogue, so please let me know. For more motivation and inspiration, check out all the links below, and I will see you next time. Bye!